Hello and welcome to Daily Bulletin on Arunachal Mirror. The state government for the first time had a broad-based discussion on constitutional safeguard to the indigenous people of Arunachal Pradesh regarding the Mon and Patkai Autonomous Council region headed by Deputy Chief Minister Chaunaman along with the CBOs. After detailed deliberations, the Cabinet has decided to move a government resolution as stated by Home Minister Bamang Felix. The Legislative Assembly resolves that Arunachal Pradesh be included in the 6th schedule of the Constitution of India to protect the tribal rights of the indigenous people of the state. It further resolves to amend Article 371H by inserting provision for protection of religious or social practices of the tribes of the state. The article should also have customary law and procedure of the tribes, also administration of civil and criminal justice involving decisions according to customary law of the state. It should also include ownership and transfer of land and its resources. All Nishi Youth Association has decided to defer proposed 36-hour state capital region Bandh called on 27 to 28 August while on a meeting with Chief Minister Pema Khandu along with other government representatives in presence of the Apex organization, the Nishi Allied Society today. The state government has fulfilled all the demands of ANYA like order issues of district-wise job recruitment by APSSB, scrapping of gem procurement, white paper on financial status, Trans-Arunachal Highway compensation scam and APSSB job scam inquiry and lawful proceedings for cross-offspring issue. The association also informed that the Bandh call shall resume if work order system of Rs 50 lakh is not placed in the upcoming assembly and present white paper on financial status of the state. Horticulture Minister Tagi Taki, while attending the program for distribution of incentives to the flower growers of Arunachal Pradesh, urged citizens to adopt floriculture and make Arunachal a global destination for flower lovers. On demand for making Flower Festival as a state festival by the flower growers, Horticulture Minister Taki said the state will explore the occasion as it also have advantage to bring out the indigenous flower to the world. Arunachal Pradesh Physical Education Association submitted memorandum to the Sports Minister for creation of posts for District Sports Officer, Assistant Sports Officer and also to frame the recruitment rule relaxation of age in the process. The association has also placed demand to introduce physical education subject and creation of posts for PE teachers in TGT and PGT level in secondary and higher secondary education. The APSSB Interim Committee for Justice and Reformation had a silent, peaceful dharna near Civil Secretariat on demand of making the inquiry committee report public immediately. Also to terminate all the former APSSB officers and officials, the committee has also demanded to cancel and reconduct UDC examination. Arunachal Pradesh Congress Committee's Labour Cell Chairman Yangbui Taki claimed that 7 uniformed personnel were detected COVID-19 positive in 3rd block of Civil Secretariat. The chairman has questioned the state government on SOPs which are violated by those who are supposed to enforce them. He has also criticized the decision of Capital Complex District Administration to close and open shops alternatively on one side of NH 415, saying that this would force large number of people to go to less number of shops, making the SOP of maintaining physical distancing mockery. That's all for today. Keep watching Arunachal Mirror for more updates. Thank you.